We are present top 5 best planers. Among other purposes, Finnish carpenters and fine woodworkers depend on planers to produce straight edging and perfectly square rabbet joints. Let's get started with the list. Number 1. Delta Power Tools 22 to 590. Around $744 is a benchtop model that uses a 3-knife, making it able to process 26 feet of timber in the same amount of time. It comes with a 5-year parts and labor warranty. Number 2. DeWalt DW735. The DeWalt DW735, around $569, has a 2-speed gearbox, enabling its cutter head to make 96 cuts per inch for rough dimensioning work. Finishing applications requiring finesse. Its maximum width is 13 inches, and its depth capacity is 6 inches. Number 3. Bosch PL 2632K. With its micrograin carbide blades, easy to adjust bevel guide fence. Around $159 will give you an even, smooth finish every time. Plus, it has an ambidextrous lock-off release button to help avoid accidental starts. Number 4. Milwaukee 2623-21. The Milwaukee, around $399, is cordless model that's powered by its included 18-volt lithium-ion battery, which has a convenient, built-in, LED charge indicator. Number 5. Metabo HPT Handheld P20 ST. Not only does the Metabo HPT Handheld P20 ST, around $119, include a durable set of renewable blades, but it also comes with a sharpening apparatus to help you with maintenance, as well as a dust bag and an adapter to hook it up to a shop vacuum.